Hello all, I am Nikhil. I am from Bemvaram. I just completed my program Anusandhan, which was conducted by 21st Century IAS Academy. It's a very useful one. First of all, who comes here always shares about their experience. So let me tell me about what happened before that. When I was enjoying my holidays fulfilledly, then my father came to me and said, I got a call from 21st Century IAS Academy. You have to go there. They will say you how you will achieve your UPSC exam, and they will give you some inputs about UPSC exam. I was like, Dad, 4 days will be needed. One session will enough, no? And my dad was like, whatever the time is, you have to go because you are free in the home. You have no work in the home. And okay, I deep inside I feel that it was like a holiday trip. I taken it as a holiday trip, and I came here. I was very feared about the washrooms and the rooms of hostel, particularly the food. My friends who came after the hostel, they used to say that the food is horrible, and I felt that every hostel will be like that, but this is not that type of hostel. The food was very nice, and the rooms was fabulous. Every room has an AC. With non-AC rooms are also very nice, and washrooms not very hygienic, very beautiful rooms, very beautiful college, and the sports sessions was amazing, especially the classes, the motivational classes. Super session. I had very wonderful mock parliament. The last day, last session was very beautiful. I felt very happy about it, and I received a special mention certificate also. I felt that the session was very fulfilled, and Anusandhan program was very useful for every UPSC aspirant. Thank you.